What's going on, guys? Got the 97X back in the garage today, and I'm actually going to be removing the emblems off the back. So we're going to take off the 97X badge, 5.3 badge, and I just wanted to show you guys right quick how I do that, and I think it's really about the easiest way it can possibly be done. Alright. Alright, so I've got some 20-pound fishing line right here. And basically I'm just going to take that, slide it behind the emblem, which I'm pretty sure everybody's probably done this before. So you're just going to come back behind there. And I'm applying a little bit of pressure towards me, you know, to try to keep the string up against the actual emblem. As you can see, that's actually very quick and efficient. Alright. I mean, there's just nothing to that. That's like a hot knife through butter. And I've also used this exact same roll of fishing line to take door trim off, just about anything you can imagine. So next I'm going to actually take a little bit of detailer spray and just kind of clean around this area a little bit because the car's a little dirty, obviously. But I just want to get the dirt away from here so we don't mess anything up. Now what I've got is a 3M magic eraser wheel. And you'll see in a few seconds. Let me see if I can get a close up. So I've got a magic eraser wheel. And I mean, it's basically just some kind of a rubber block. You can get them at pretty much any auto parts stores. But you're just going to take this guy right here. And you're just going to run it over this adhesive. And you want to be gentle. I mean, you don't want to go crazy on it, but it's basically just going to roll this stuff off. And so you'll just gently work your way across there. And you can see how that's just kind of eating that stuff right up. Don't have to use any Beauty Dawn or alcohol or any of that kind of stuff. And because this thing's made of rubber, I mean, you can see all these little pieces around here. It's just as much of this rubber as it is the adhesive that we're getting off, because as it makes contact with the paint, this actually rolls off kind of like a pencil eraser. So, but you can see how taking this stuff off and it's not doing any damage to the paint. You definitely want to be careful if you use this on any plastic or fiberglass body panels, because that will very quickly damage the paint if you don't work really slow with it. But on a metal body panel, you can pretty much run this thing wide open, no problem. Alright, so now that I got that off, I come back with the detail spray again. Just wipe everything down. And unless you've got a pretty fresh paint job, you're always going to see a little bit of the outline where the emblem was. Let me see if I can show that to you. I'm sure that's showing up on camera, but you can definitely see where it was at. And it's not extremely noticeable, but I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Now I'm going to do this by hand just simply because it's such a small area. I don't really feel like getting the buffer out and making a big mess with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rag. obviously a lint-free microfiber towel, and you just want to make sure that it's nice and clean. And we've got some polishing compound, and there's a lot of different kinds out there, and I've had good luck with a lot of different kinds, so you pretty much use whichever one you want. But you're just going to take this right here, and you're just going to apply it to this area, and you're just going to work that into that paint. And you can see, if you get on a little bit of an angle, you can see where the emblem was. And if you keep working this stuff around in there, it will slowly start going away. You don't want to keep working this stuff in dry. It kind of defeats the purpose. This actually has like a very, very fine abrasive. You know, I would guess the polishing compound is probably equal to about a 4,000 grit or something. But if it goes dry, it's not really doing that much. So you want to keep it somewhat wet. And I almost can't see that spot now. It's kind of like a wax remover. Now you can spend as much time as you want doing this. Some of you might want to spend more time on it and get a little bit more of a perfect finish on your car. You know, since this thing's got to be washed, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time, you know, going around and polishing the whole car. But you will notice that you cannot see where that emblem was anymore. So that's pretty much all it takes. And even with me doing this by hand, you know, it really only took, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. You know, so if I was doing a lot of stuff or there were several emblems in the car, I would definitely get the buffer out. And I could have done this one emblem probably 2 or 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and jump to the other side, get it done right quick. Here's how it looks now that I cleaned the emblem off, got it all polished down and everything. So that's pretty much it. You can see that how I remove the emblems works pretty good. I've seen a lot of videos of other people doing it, and you know, they use different methods. They use different methods like heating the emblems up with a heat gun, peeling stuff off with plastic scrapers, soaking stuff in Gooby Gone. I've just seen a lot of crazy stuff. And to me, you just can't really beat this. I mean, it just takes really a few minutes. And, you know, you got good results. Didn't have to work very hard. And, you know, that's pretty much what you want at the end of the day. So, alright guys, I'll put the part number in the description below for the Magic Eraser wheel. And, you know, other than that, all you really need is your choice of, you know, somewhere around a 20-pound fishing line, some polishing compound, maybe a quick detailer. If you don't want to use a quick detailer, and you're outside and the weather's good and all that kind of stuff, I mean, you can actually use car wash. You know, typically that's what I would do, is just wash the area instead of using a quick detailer. But you know, if you're just doing a small section like I was doing, you know, using a quick detailer works fine. So anyway, I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Click the bell notification so when I put out a new video, you guys know about it. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next time.